In this video, I'll be showing you how to create realistic voiceovers using Artlist.io. If you want to use Artlist.io, please just use the link in the description and you'll get Artlist.io. Now, I'm going to be trying these using their voiceover functionality. Now, Artlist.io, it's a platform where you can download stock footage, you can download stock music, and you can create voiceovers. And you can also get sound effects and use templates. The first thing I want to do is when I log into my account, I want to come to Voiceover. And it's going to load this and it's going to ask me to add my text here. I just did this using AI. And then I'm going to copy all of this. I just want to copy 2 paragraphs. I will copy that. I'm going to come now here and I'll paste this here. And it says you've reached your limit. All right. So I'll just delete this. Just one. I'll use just one sentence. And then the accent is going to be American. You can use Australian. I'll use Australian. You can add the speed. You can change it. Maybe you want it to be faster. And then the emotion, neutral. I want to use something like angry. And then I'm going to click on generate. It's going to take a little bit of time to generate. And then when it's generated, we are going to see it down here. Here it is, it's generated. If I play this, you hear.
The sunlight dappled through the leaves, casting playful shadows on the forest floor. Lily, a young girl with bright eyes and tangled hair, wandered deeper into the woods, her curiosity outweighing her sense of direction. The path she had been following had vanished, leaving her surrounded by towering trees and unfamiliar sounds. Fear tugged at her heart, but Lily was a brave girl. The sunlight dappled through the leaves.
Now you can hear that it sounds really, really realistic. You know, a lot of what we hear on social media, it sounds a little bit robotic, but this is really, really, really realistic. So if you want to give Artlist a try, let's look at their pricing. We'll look at their pricing. And you can see they have the $9 per month plan, which gives you music and sound effects. Then it goes all up to $35 a month. And all of this, if you are using the standard plan. If you're using the business plan, you need to contact them and then they'll get to you. And most of these plans only apply if you are buying annually. So if you want to give Artlist.io a try, please use the link in the description. Hope you got value out of this video. Please just subscribe to my channel. Peace.